Greetings, eco-warriors and planet explorers. Welcome to Tripaidvisor. Today, we embark on an exhilarating discussion on a revolutionary green alternative to plastic while traveling. As adventurers, we understand the significance of preserving our planet while indulging in thrilling experiences. So let's journey into the world of this, a sustainable marvel that replaces plastic with a touch of nature's elegance. Before you set foot on this eco-conscious journey, let's delve into the wonders of bamboo. Bamboo is a fast-growing, renewable resource that thrives without pesticides or fertilizers. Unlike plastic, it decomposes naturally, leaving behind zero harmful residues. It's time to bid farewell to plastic waste and embrace bamboo, nature's gift to sustainable living. Embrace bamboo's versatility in your travel essentials. Replace single-use plastic cutlery with lightweight bamboo utensils that can be reused throughout your journey. Say goodbye to plastic water bottles and equip yourself with a sleek, eco-friendly bamboo water bottle. A stylish statement for both your adventures and the planet. Heed my warning, eco-explorers. Your personal care routine can also become eco-conscious with bamboo alternatives. Swap out plastic toothbrushes for bamboo toothbrushes, crafted with biodegradable bristles and sustainable handles. Let the soothing caress of bamboo cotton buds replace their plastic counterparts, leaving behind a softer impact on our environment. Also, as you journey to new lands, embrace eco-friendly souvenirs made from bamboo. Discover intricately carved bamboo trinkets and eco-conscious handicrafts that capture the essence of local cultures while preserving the beauty of our planet. Each bamboo treasure carries the story of sustainable travel and leaves a legacy of eco-consciousness. So you can elevate your shopping experience by choosing products that align with your eco-conscious values. Share the green wisdom with zeal. Empower fellow travelers to choose bamboo over plastic and ignite a revolution of sustainable choices. Let's create a community of conscious consumers who protect our planet by making small, eco-friendly changes, one bamboo step at a time. So, fellow eco-warriors, the stage is set for a transformative journey. Embrace the call of bamboo, the green alternative to plastic, and step forward as champions for our planet. With bamboo in our hands and hearts, we can travel the world with purpose and eco-consciousness. Let the sustainable adventure begin. Thank you for joining us on this bamboo-powered expedition. Until we meet again, stay eco-conscious and keep exploring the wonders of a bamboo-filled world. Tripaidvisor community is with you.